Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances with the Stoves Sterling Deluxe D1100EI ZLS. Let's see if this high-end range cooker lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design and features. The Stoves Sterling Deluxe D1100EI ZLS is an impressive piece of kitchen equipment. Finished in sleek stainless steel, it exudes quality and sophistication, making it a perfect centerpiece for any high-end kitchen. But what sets this range cooker apart is its innovative Freedom Flex zoneless induction hob. With 3 zones that allow you to place your pans wherever you want, cooking becomes a breeze. The intuitive touchscreen controls make adjusting settings a snap. And the additional automated options like melt, simmer, and keep warm provide even more versatility. Now, let's talk about the ovens. With 4 individual cavities, including a primary grill and conventional oven, a 71-liter electric oven with bread-proofing and slow-cook features, a digital oven with a plethora of cooking modes, and a slow-cook compartment, you'll never run out of cooking space or options. But how does it perform? In our tests, the Stoves Sterling Deluxe D1100EI ZLS delivered excellent results. The oven heats evenly, ensuring consistent cooking every time. Whether you're baking, grilling, or slow cooking, this range cooker handles it all with ease. And let's not forget about the induction hob. Boasting impressive speed, it heats up water in record time, making meal preparation faster and more efficient than ever before. In conclusion, the Stoves Sterling Deluxe D1100EI ZLS is a top-of-the-line range cooker that delivers on both style and performance. While it may come with a hefty price tag, its quality construction, innovative features, and excellent cooking results make it a worthy investment for any serious home chef. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!